Hello, my name is Rose and welcome to Family DIYs. If you enjoy this video, please feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you. Today we're going to be cooking butternut squash. I have sage, just 2 leaves from the garden, sweet basil and chives, these are from the garden, a little onion called shallot, garlic. I use about half of vegetable broth, salt and pepper to taste, a little pinch of nutmeg, and maybe a teaspoon or tablespoon of maple syrup, and coconut milk. I use a half a can. You can do this 2 ways, like a hand mixer. I did this last year before I got a new blender. But you want to do it quick because this is like plastic. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you find it's a little bit thick, just add some more vegetable broth to make it thinner. But this is delicious and my children love it and my husband loves it, so enjoy and have yourself a great day. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you and have a great day. Thank you for watching my video. There is some links below. Check it out and have a great day. Thank you.